So Cheryl and I are walking through the woods here, and I stopped and asked her what this is, and she's going to tell us.
Well, I'm going to, number one, give credit to a Blue Thumb volunteer who taught me what this was, and that is Kim Watson from her business Naturally STEM. So, this is a gall from an oak tree. I think it's called an oak apple gall. And what has happened is a little wasp, and I think it's called the oak gall wasp, but it might have a little different something added to that name. But that wasp will go up to the leaf on an oak tree, and it will lay its egg, and it will also use its stinger to kind of torment that leaf just a little so that that leaf will know something's going on. And the oak's leaf will end up folding around that place where the wasp laid its egg, and it will create a little nursery. This actually was once a leaf. It creates a nursery for those eggs. Then the eggs hatch, and it will eat some of the food within this gall. And you can look and see that this gall has cushioning, and it would be the perfect place for that little larva. And then as that larva grows, one day it's going to come out, and there's usually a little bitty hole where you can see that the larva has exited, and then it's going to finish its life and become an adult small wasp. And you might think you know a lot about wasps because, oh, you see the ones that fly around that we're scared of. There are a lot of different kinds of wasps, and sometimes wasps are pollinators, meaning that they're doing us that favor of going from one plant to another, spreading the pollen. But this is just a wonderful example of how nature works together with that wasp. The oak tree and the oak tree's leaf has made a place for that young to grow. And you know what? This didn't hurt that oak tree. That oak tree is still functioning. I'm not sure which tree it came from because we're in a place where there's lots of tree species. But if you want to know more, and you can find galls in a variety of places, and we'll be looking for some so we can show you some different kinds of galls.